While Darren's got his head in the ground, Dee's looking up and has gone to get help with her Love Shack lighting design.
I've brought my plans. I need to sit with you.
Sure.
I've only got about 2 hours. Is that going to be long enough?
What if I told you we could do it in 30 minutes?
I'd say you're lying.
Well, I'm telling you we can.
Really?
Yeah.
If she can make it happen, I will be indebted to her and I'll love her. So, fingers crossed.
Just up here on the screen, this is Beacon Design Studio.
You've already got my plans. Does that mean I don't even have to muck around with these
Don't
anymore?
need 'em.
Thank God, because I'm over that.
So tell me a little bit about the plan, Dee.
We're calling it sort of like a bit of an industrial barn. It's in a coastal area.
Right.
So this is the wow factor here. It's all very open plan.
You just said two words I love, industrial and wow. So this definitely sounds like the wow part of the home here,
Yeah.
and we love to start with the wow. So
Yes.
I could see in the elevations we've got a rake ceiling in this
Yep.
space. That's going to have such a beautiful open area, and I saw the exposed beams as well and
Yeah.
thought that's probably a really great opportunity to use track
Track,
lighting,
yes,
because I know you don't like
definitely.
downlights. The other word you said that I loved, industrial. Can I
Yes.
just show you, have you thought about switches at all?
No, not really.
No?
Switches don't really come into the play yet.
Well, switches is like saying the jewellery at the end of the outfit, the
guess.
little accessories. And we've got this new range here, Buster and
wow.
Punch, which is exclusive to Beacon Lighting, that's come out from the UK.
Wow, they do feel industrial. They're
They
really
do.
heavy.
And I just felt this was something that might complement your project
Yes.
perfectly as the little finishing touch. So, we're going to have some time because this isn't going to take too long, so we
Yeah.
can go and have a look at some product.
Yay.
But just to point out to you as we go through this, I know this looks pretty complicated at the moment. We've got a whole heap of dots and lines. What you will be able to walk away with at the end of today is a product legend or product key, which I've just pulled up on the screen for you.
Wow, you've made some selections.
Yeah, and these are just ideas. Obviously,
that's like a
open for
mood
you.
board.
Exactly.
That's great. I can actually pull things out and add them to my mood, my overall mood board. Jess, I love these. I feel like these en masse over the dining table would be such a beautiful statement.
Yeah, I think given your ceilings as well with
Yeah.
the big space, this would be a case of really more is more.
I know, imagine if we had like 5 or 6 of them.
That would look amazing.
I have to decide if it's going to be black or natural,
Yeah.
so leave that with me.
Sure.
I love some of these lamps as well. That
Yeah.
beautiful floor lamp's gorgeous.
Yeah.
And these wooden bead ones, I've had my eye on for a while
Yeah.
too. I think they could really work.
Love Shack.